Sit around, all of me, all of it. Restart. Alright, ready? Go. The letters call me audibly gone. She said that she would never leave me. She was talking underneath with her, underneath my cover, and she brought a gun with her, closing some around with her. She helped me, telling me to jump with her. Yeah, I'm in the ghost, but I'm doing something. But I got him aggy. You want to see that? Because I got him aggy, because I want to go like Gabby. She just a girl and she's on fire. That's my sister's. Hotter than a fantasy. Running like a highway. She's living and it's on fire.
Who's your sister?
Feeling like a catastrophe. But she knows she can fly away. Oh, she got her feelings down. And she's running down. She's got her cloud. And she's not backing down. Guys,
On fire. We're liking it.
But she's a flame. She could burn your eyes. Better look the other way. Just one man. How to see up the road. How to feel like oh. We got something wrong. And we're down. Oh. Clouds, and we're not coming down. Mirrors on fire. And so far, living my best. No, nobody knows me. And it's the world. But she gonna let it burn, baby, burn, baby. If your haircut, make the fire disappear when the star God. Take away my fear when I'm a fear God. Do you fear God? Cause I fear God. And in my backyard, that's a dear God. And it's a horse ranch. And too much more fans. Keep letting me. Keep stressing me. X in the box. Cause ain't nobody tricking me. Tricking me. She's walking on you. She wants to go and she's on fire. Thanks for watching. Delicious.
Linda.